day 17 of my DIY ornament series, and today we're making paper stars. Start with a thin piece of card or paper. I'm using A1, but A3 will also work, and fold in a concertina fold. This is also called a fan fold. Each fold's about 3 centimeters, and you need 7 folds. Then use scissors to trim away that excess unfolded piece. Next, you need to cut about a 5 centimeter length out of that folded piece. This is the equivalent of 1 star. Then cut it at an angle about halfway down to the top corner. The folded side was in my left hand there, and you can see it makes like a party hat shape. Now this next step is what makes the stars more ornate. I'm doing the concertina or fan fold again. Fold halfway to the fold, flip it over, and then fold to meet the fold. Flip it over and continue to repeat that process. So again, you're just doing the concertina fold and you're folding twice between those main folds. Keep going until you've folded the entire length, and once it's done, it will look like this. Now this fold actually makes 2 kinds of stars. Here's the less ornate one. Fold it back up and use a hot glue gun to glue the flat bottom side and leave it to dry for a moment. Then glue along one of the long sides and bring both sides together, and this creates the simple star. As an option, you can glue a little bead to the center as well. Now this next one is my favorite. Take 2 folded lengths and glue them together to make a really long folded piece. Then the process is exactly the same. Fold it back up, glue along the flat bottom piece and leave it to dry for a moment. Then glue along one of the sides and bring those sides together to create a much more ornate star. This is a slightly larger one that I made. You can make them in any size you like. Use a skewer to make a hole for hanging. You can also spray paint them if you like. Again, you can just customize it to suit your tree.